Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, this is Jane at your service. Next. So, it's May 18, it's my off. So, I just woke up, as you can see, with my face. I didn't brush it, I did not wash it, my face. So, this is my bare face. Exactly. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a makeup challenge with a twist. You heard it right, makeup challenge. And I'm going to tell you a secret. I'm actually not good in applying makeup. I'm not really good, I can say. So I only know the basic, and I'm not even like expert in how to put eyebrow liners, eyeliners, blush on. I'm just like, okay, put it on and let it be how you look like. So what I'm going to do, since I said it's a makeup challenge with a twist, I'm going to turn myself. I will turn for like 10 to 15 times before applying it. So it's gonna be challenging because aside from I'm not really good in applying makeup, the thing is that you will feel dizzy. Okay, so I only have the basic. I will use the eyebrow liner, eyeliner, blush on, and lipstick. And let's see how will I look like after. Okay, let's get started.
if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off. Find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous, is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I just gotta get through. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred.
And oh, oh my god. Okay, the lipstick is quite good. And yes, I'm sweating because it's hot. The aircon is not working that much. I think I still look good. Do I? Do you agree? I like how I put the the blush on, and well, the eyeliner, the brow liner is not that bad. Only the eyeliner. Yeah, it's really hard to put the eyeliner. And especially I'm sweating, so it's messy. With the lipstick. Yep. So it means I think it's really fun. So I am challenging you guys, if you like what I did, you should try also doing the makeup challenge with a twist. So for those who haven't subscribed to my channels, please subscribe and press the notification bell so you will be updated on my next videos. Bye! Thank you for watching!